It is a type of transmission system that automatically changes the gear without the input of the driver. It automatically selects and shifts gears based on driving conditions by the use of sensors, hydraulic systems, and torque converter. It provides a smoother and more convenient driving experience by eliminating the manual gear shifting, making the driving experience more easier.
The inventor of the first automatic transmission was Alfred Horner Munro. Alfred Horner Munro was born in Regina, in Canada. He invented the first automatic transmission in 1921. It was called Automatic Safety Transmission or AST. The AST was patented in 1923. Alfred Horner Munro was a Canadian steam engineer by trade.
He designed it using air pressure rather than hydraulic fluid. This, however, created a huge lack of power. It did have 4 forward gear ratios but no reverse or parking gear. General Motors sold the AST in 3 of their models between the years of 1937 to 1938. The Oldsmobile, Cadillac, and Buick as an upgrade option.
Today, we're going to discuss parts and functions of an automatic transmission system. So, the transmission system, this is what it looks like, and there are 20 parts of an automatic transmission system. So, this is what it looks like. Yeah. And parts and functions of each automatic transmission system. First part is the turbine. The turbine causes the transmission to spin, which basically moves your car. Stator. The stator main function is to redirect the fluid from the turbine back to the pump, thereby enhancing the efficiency of the torque converter. Engine crankshaft. The engine crankshaft is responsible for the proper operation of the engine and converting a linear motion to a rotational motion. Flexible drive plate. The flex plate is a versatile component that acts as an interface between engine and gearbox. Input shaft. The input shaft, where the engine power flows from the clutch to the gears. Knockdown band. The knockdown band is an automatic transmission controls gear shifting by locking or releasing gears for smooth transmission and efficient power transfer. Oil filter. Oil filter serves to keep contaminants out of the transmission fluid supply to the internal workings of the transmission. Sun gear driving shell. As an automatic transmission, the sun gear is the central component of the planetary gear system. Valve body. The valve body is able to trigger the correct clutch pack for the selected gearing. Parking lock assembly. Parking lock assembly locks the output shaft of the automatic transmission by the action of an actuator such as a motor according to the movement of a shift lever to a parking range. Speedometer pinion. Speedometer pinion rather. The speedometer pinion in an automatic transmission measures vehicles by rotating extension housing. Extension housing is to house the output shaft of the transmission and to provide a mounting point for the drive shaft. Bushing. The bushing is to reduce friction and wear on mechanical parts. So this is the first 13 parts of an automatic transmission system. The next part will be discussed by Mr. Virano.
Seal. Seals to control the flow of hydraulic fluid and to keep it from leaking out. Next. Output shaft. An output shaft connects the drive wheel to the automatic gearbox in your vehicle. Bearing. Supporting shafts and gears, facilitating seamless power transmission within the gearbox. Governor. Governors utilize centrifugal force to operate. Overrunning clutch. An overrunning clutch allows the rotating components to spin faster than the actual driving component that is producing the driving force. Low and reverse band. In an automatic transmission, the low band provides torque for low-speed driving and towing, while the reverse band enables backward movement. Rear planetary gear set. Planetary gear set to regulate the transmission of the car, including controlling its speed. Front planetary gear set. The point is to regulate the motion and speed of the car so that the load distribution on the gears is more even. Rear clutch. The rear clutch is in an automatic transmission, engage and disengage to connect the engine to the transmission. Front clutch. The clutch lets the driver control power flow between the engine and the transmission or transaxle. Oil pump. An oil pump is placed inside the transmission to drive the engine to rotate. Impeller. The impeller connects to the crankshaft, which is spun by the rotation of the engine and transfer torque to the turbine. And that's all the parts and function of automatic transmission system. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
This is the basic structure of automatic transmission. An automatic transmission is a complex system designed to manage the gear shifts in a vehicle without requiring driver input. Here are the components of automatic transmission. Number 1. Torque converter. This replaces the clutch in a manual transmission. 2. Planetary gear sets. These are the core of the transmission, allowing for various gear ratios. Number 3. Hydraulic system. This system uses fluid pressure to engage and disengage gears. Number 4. Clutch packs and bands. These are used to hold a certain gear stationary while allowing others to rotate, enabling smooth gear changes. Number 5. Electronic Control Unit or ECU. Modern automatic transmission uses an ECU to optimize shifting based on the driving conditions. Number 6. Output shaft. This transfers power from the transmission to the drive wheel. These components work together to provide smooth acceleration and efficient power transfer, adapting to various driving conditions automatically. That's all. Thank you.
A continuous variable transmission (CVT) does not make use of gear like a basic automatic transmission. Rather, it uses two pulleys linked by a belt. It's a bit like a snowmobile transmission. One pulley connects to the engine, the other one linked to the transmission. The belt transfers the power between them. The automated manual transmission (AMT) is a type of transmission for motor vehicles. It is essentially a conventional manual transmission equipped with automatic actuation to operate the clutch and or a shift gear.
Direct shift gearbox. Using a similar setup to a dual transmission, a direct shift gearbox uses two clutches that is disengaged alternately in changing gears. This setup offers fast shifting and smoother acceleration. Dual clutch transmission. Combination of automatic and manual transmission. A dual clutch transmission has no torque converter. Instead, it uses two separate shafts with their own clutches for gear changing, one for odd numbered gears and one for even numbered gears.
Vehicle is a key component in modern vehicle that enables seamless gear shifting without manual effort from the driver. Unlike manual transmission, which requires the driver to use a clutch, pedal, and a gear stick, automatic transmission simplify the process and provide more comfortable driving experience through a sophisticated system of gears, hydraulic system, and electronic controls. In operation, The automatic transmission consists of several vital components, including the torque converter, planetary gear sets, and hydraulic control system. The torque converter replaces the manual clutch and uses fluid to transfer power from the engine, allowing for a smooth start without stalling. Planetary gear sets facilitate smooth gear change as the vehicle accelerates, while the hydraulic control system engages and disengages clutches to manage shifting. An onboard computer typically oversees this process, ensuring optimal gear changes based on the vehicle's speed and engine load. In conclusion, the automatic transmission significantly enhanced driving comfort and efficiency by automatic gear shifts. Its complex system work together to deliver a smooth driving experience, making it essential for modern vehicles. Regular maintenance such as fluid checks and servicing is crucial for ensuring the transmission longevity and reliable performance.
Our topic today is automatic transmission. The automatic transmission is an arrangement of gears, brakes, clutch, fluid drive, and governing devices that automatically changes the speed ratio between the engine and the wheels of an automobile. And what is a gearbox? The gearbox is change gears automatically, normal shifting need, and provides smooth acceleration and easy driving. And what is the main components? The main components is a torque converter, gears, clutch pack, and electronic control unit. And what is benefits? The benefit is easy to use, reduced driver fatigue, and smooth acceleration. And what is commonly used? The commonly used is a car, truck, bus, and hybrid or electric vehicles.
Good day everyone. At the end of our topic, I'm about to differentiate the manual transmission system and automatic transmission system. I have three things to consider. We have the economical impact, maintenance, and performance. Talk about economical impact. In fuel, manual transmission has efficiency in using fuel, as it lets the driver choose or have freedom to control shifting and other features, optimizing engine's performance. On the other hand, automatic transmission is using automatic controls that can lead to lessen the use of fuel. In prices, manual transmission are more often seen in average cost value. It builds in modern models, making the demand higher while lowering the price. Automatic transmission is just the opposite. Next, in maintenance. Manual transmissions are easy to repair as it has few parts at low payment, while automatic transmission are more expensive as it includes many and advanced parts. Lastly, the performance. It can be seen that manual transmission is better as it gives connection to the driver, making it control over gears and other mechanical components. But we can deny that automatic transmission is also better or much more when it delivers convenient control. Also, acceleration can be added by the use of advanced auto parts.